I am holding a letter written to me by Arturo Martinez, a longtime client of mine. Arturo came to us 12 years ago. He and his family were victims of a terrible crime. This is a letter from Victoria Warren, who was one of my clients. She came to me a couple of months ago and we worked on her case. And we got her some of the help that she needed to get back on her feet. 7 years ago, I escaped an abusive and coercive situation. Recently, the man who hurt me tried to use the legal system to re-victimize me, dragging me into family court and throwing the trauma that he inflicted in my face to gain an advantage. 12 years ago today, my wife and I were so blessed. We had jobs, our first home, and 3 children. Our family had grown, and so had our happiness. However, one night everything changed. My world went upside down when I was brutally attacked while asleep at home. I survived, but I was left in very bad shape. My future seemed so uncertain and frightening. When I first met you, I was fearful to tell you my story. But more than even the legal matter, your foremost concern was for me as a human being. I knew without a doubt that you were in my corner and that you genuinely cared about me. You took so much time to explain things to me in a way that I could understand. And in the courtroom, everyone, including my abuser, could see that you were fearless and determined in your pursuit of justice. You helped me figure out what to do about the house I could not return to. You helped me figure out how to pay my bills while I faced another surgery. You helped me heal by connecting me with mental health resources to address my past trauma. You taught me how to use my voice so I could advocate for myself with other legal matters. You gave me hope, so much so that this summer I became a U.S. citizen with the help of Legal Aid Center, who had been guiding me every step of the way. You showed me that I'm more than my past victimization. But the most powerful thing you did for me was to instill hope that I lost so long ago. The hope gave me the strength and confidence to expand my family with this little girl due in February. Thank you from the bottom of my heart, and may God continue to bless the Legal Aid Center and everyone who was a part of it. You changed lives for the better. With the Advocacy and Justice Complex and people like you, I know that this little girl will have fierce advocates protecting her from the victimization that I faced and have started to overcome. Thank you for giving hope to survivors like me. Victoria Warren. Oh my goodness. Oh, I love it.
Hi, how are you?
I'm great. Thank you. So great to see you.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Good to see you too. Thank you. Thank you very much.
Hey, let's see the bump.
Oh my goodness. I'm a crybaby.
So am I.